food to boost your brain and memory. Our brains control our thoughts, movements, and sensations, store an immense amount of data as images, text, and concepts. Our brains regulate many complex functions. It works constantly even when we sleep. Healthy and balanced food is essential for your mental as well as your physical health. There are some foods that protect against age-related disorders such as Alzheimer's or dementia. What we eat can affect our body, our mind, brain's energy, our memory, and even our ability to handle stress, complex problems, or simply daily tasks. Here are some foods to boost our memory or brain power. Whole grains. Whole grains have a low glycemic index, complex carbohydrates, fiber, and omega-3 fatty acids. They release glucose into the bloodstream, improves mood, keeps you mentally alert throughout the day. Avocados. Avocados have monounsaturated fats, omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids, vitamin E and vitamin K. They increase blood flow to the brain, protects the brain from free radical damage, and protect the brain from the risk of stroke. Blueberries. Blueberries are high in antioxidants, vitamin C, vitamin K, fiber, and gallic acid. They protect brains from degeneration and stress. Blueberries have flavonoids that improve the communication between neurons, improving memory power and all cognitive functions. Broccoli. Broccoli is the best brain food, rich in calcium, vitamin B, vitamin C, vitamin K, choline, beta-carotene, iron, and fiber. They protect from free radicals, helps in blood flow, remove heavy metals that damage brain, and keeps your memory sharp. Dark chocolate. Dark chocolate has antioxidant and anti-inflammatory flavonols which improve blood vessel function and improves cognitive function and memory. Dark chocolate improves mood, improves blood flow to brain and heart, and can ease pain. Nuts. Nuts like almonds and walnuts are good for the brain and nervous system. They has omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids, vitamin B6 and vitamin E. Nuts prevent dementia by protecting the brain from free radicals and improves the memory or brain power. Eggs. Eggs are rich in choline, a most fundamental neurotransmitter, and also has cholesterol, an important component of brain cell membranes, and a brain protective antioxidant. They prevent risk of stroke, cognitive impairment, and Alzheimer's disease. Coconut oil. Coconut oil is anti-inflammatory and has triglycerides. It leaves the glucose for the brain and prevents Alzheimer's disease and dementia. It enhances the ability of the brain's neurons to use energy and reduce the production of damaging free radicals. Salmon. Salmon is a good source of the omega-3 fatty acids in the form of DHA, which plays a vital role in maintaining healthy brain cells and stimulate the brain cells growth. These fats are important for brain function and memory. Olive oil. Olive oil is rich in powerful antioxidants, polyphenols, which protects brain and improves learning and memory power. The olive oil fights against ADDLS, Alzheimer's diseases. Thank you for watching. For more updates, please subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to like and share.